For beginners, this time we will show how to add image in Photopea. First, please visit photopea.com. On the front page, there are 3 options to start using Photopea: New Project, Open from Computer, and PSD Template. Please select Open from Computer. This is how to add image in Photopea from your computer. Please select your image, then click on the Open tab, or double-click on your image. You can also use another method. Select Menu File and tap on Open. You can select and enter your image into Photopea for editing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.